It's expensive to run vehicles using petroleum diesel fuel, and the emissions pollute the air. Student engineers from Clarkson University's Engineers Without Borders USA team, together with St. Regis Mohawk tribal members, are working to help find a solution.
We are a group of students from Clarkson University, all different types of engineers, and we are doing a project to convert the waste vegetable oil on the Akwesasne Mohawk Reservation to biodiesel to power their municipal vehicles. We're being received very well here. Everyone seems to be very excited about, this new process that's pretty much taking a waste product and making it usable. And not only a usable product, but a product that's better.
The benefits of this biodiesel project is going to have an improvement, we believe, as far as air quality, and anything we can do to try to improve the air quality within this community is going to have a good benefit.
Part of our philosophies talk about respect for the natural world and our responsibility to live in peace and harmony with it. So the challenge that we have with those types of philosophies was, how do you walk the talk? And I think this project's a perfect example of walking the talk, saying that environment's important, but then following up and doing something about it.
This project is a good pilot project for the community because it shows the community another way to reuse resources and use it in something that's going to benefit the environment, but also economically could benefit the community here.
As part of the assessment process, the student engineers learn the needs of the tribal community and gather information about the tribe's waste transfer facility and casino kitchen.
What's the fuel economy on it?
I'm filling up every other day.
Going to the reservation, we learned a few things that we'd need to change about our process. One thing in particular is that the vegetable oil from the fryers is much denser than the vegetable oil from the grocery store. First of all, the oil from the fryers has a lot of food particles. And so the first thing we have to do is filter those out, get it nice and clean as we can possibly get it.
Converting used vegetable oil to biodiesel requires a chemical reaction between the filtered UVO, alcohol, and a catalyst.
That's how you get from French fries to fuel.
Since making biodiesel requires a chemical reaction, the conversion process must be made safe.
Is there any other safety concerns that you have with the biodiesel or working with that reaction in the methanol?
No, because as long as we have the right literature on how to do it.
There'll be an operations manual as well. I think we'll be okay.
There are a lot of upfront costs to make biodiesel from UVO. After the engineers return with the assessment information, they work together with the tribe to design the project.
So over the next 3 days, each of the groups are going to meet and talk about what each of the team members have found. And then tomorrow, our whole group is going to meet, and the separation group, the reaction group, and the preparation group, we're all going to discuss what we found and sort of move forward in the design process.